one, I've built an agent that processes invoices, while other companies take days and hours to process an invoice, and they also use their business rules and they also need to approve the vendor. Imagine you're an payable account manager and you have hundreds of invoices. You have to check the business rules and also get an approval from the vendor. But here comes my agent. My agent can process those invoices, hundreds of invoices in just minutes. Now, I'm going to show you the demo. I have built this agent using LangChain, Python, using Claude, and I've also integrated Gemini API key, and I've also connected an MCP server in my agent. Now I'm going to run my Python file. Now Now, here's the first test of the invoice. Now, it will enter the agent chain, then it will process the invoice using several validations and will make a decision on the base. For example, here's the first invoice from the year 2024, and my Gemini and the MCP server of OpenAI Agents SDK is basically validating this invoice. Now here's the validation amount and here's the final answer. The final decision is approved with a confident score of 1.0, and it will also provide you the reason. The reason is that all validations pass successfully, the vendor is approved, no duplicate invoice exists, the amount is matched, and it also matches the business rules. Now there's no red flags or any concern. Now here my agent execution chain is over. The decision is matched, expected is approved. Now here's the test number 2. Now the test number 1 was using only $3,000, but the test number 2 using $12,000. Now it will again enter the agent execution change. It will process the invoice using several validations. It will check the input, it will check the amount, and the amount validation has passed. And this time the value is $12,500, which is a big amount for an invoice, but my agent will complete it in only 12 seconds. Now the final answer is escalate. The confidence score is 0.95. The reason is that the invoice exceeds the business rule of threshold of $10,000. As I told you before, the invoice number is quite big from the business rules, which is only $10,000, and it has medium risks. Now there is only one concern, it should be under $10,000. Now the chain is finished and my both results are completed only under 1 minute. Thank you.